गुड इवनिंग जेंटलमैन, नमस्कार, शस्त्राकाल, जय हिंद, अस्सलाम वालेकुम। और मुझे मालूम नहीं है, लेकिन सबको मेरा उनके धर्म जाति के हिसाब से प्रणाम। हम महान बने, ये तो हम सोचते हैं, लेकिन कैसे बने कुछ लोग उसको इग्नोर कर जाते हैं। कुछ लोग उसको एक्सेप्ट नहीं करते हैं। एंड देन हम उनको कहते हैं कि आप तो विचारों के राजा हैं, यू आर द किंग ऑफ द थॉट्स। ओनली नो इम्प्लीमेंटेशन, only planning is going on in the mind, always planning is going on in the mind, and when it comes to the implementation of the same, then there is the distance of huge trench. सोचते हैं कुछ, करने को आता है, implement करने को आता है, you can see a big trench having two bank separately and differently. Similarly, when you come for performance in the organization, then you find some people saying that I cannot take the pain to perform, but I want more promotion, big promotion and higher salary. Think very simply, very simple terminology should come in your mind that you are the MD of the company. There is KRA of the MD also, to bring the finance, induct the finance, people arrangement, machine and capital arrangement, and power arrangement, then political environment to handle. If he says that without doing all this work, I want more and more profit, is it possible? Will it be possible? No, it becomes the game of the fairy tales. It becomes the story of the fairy tales. You can only dream in the day, then you cannot be part that is often said that don't dream in the sleep. You dream such a way that your sleep is going out. आपकी निद्रा उड़ जाए, ऐसा सपने देखो। दिन में ही आप जो है तालाब में मछली पकड़ रहे हैं, चारपाई पे सोते हुए, कॉट पे सोते हुए, दैट इज नॉट द ड्रीम विच विल ब्रिंग यू प्रोफेशनल माइलस्टोन्स. So, if you want to achieve more and more promotion, higher promotion, big package, so before you desire, you deserve proving that you are very laborious, hardworking and you are performing at the over and above to your KRA. Because whatever KRA you have signed and accepted, it is for the designation, current designation and current package. You are happy working within that scope. Management is happy giving the salary for that KRA. But if you desire, which is but natural, it comes in the human being, that I need more and more social recognition, psychological recognition, getting more and more promotion. मैनेजर हैं तो डिप्टी जनरल मैनेजर, डिप्टी जनरल मैनेजर हैं तो जनरल मैनेजर, जनरल मैनेजर हैं तो सीनियर जनरल मैनेजर, सीनियर जनरल मैनेजर हैं तो वाइस प्रेसिडेंट. यू कैन ड्रीम, नो वन इज स्टॉपिंग यू, बट यू हैव टू प्रूव, you have to dream such a way that your sleep goes out. You should fix your KRA higher than the accepted, so that you can deserve. And at that time, if you are desiring, it is the rational, because you are working for next level KRA and you are giving result. You have proved yourself that you are valuable for the next level of the position. In that circumstances, you will always have a higher task, higher delivery, qualitative result just in time. If these characteristics you are meeting without support and guidance, your senior will definitely recommend. Your boss will definitely recommend, because in that circumstances you are a deserving candidate. Sir, he is the manager, but he has taken the KRA of a DGM and successfully he is performing. These are the evidence. His salary as a manager is that 1.5 lakhs per month. As a DGM, sir, we are recommending because of this evidence, and he deserving candidate. You will get package of 2.5 lakhs, which is the package of the DGM. But without performing higher and higher, you are only just dreaming in the sleep that I am DGM, oh I am calling people, oh I am giving instruction, oh I am doing this, that, what DGM does in the daytime. No, when you awoke, you found yourself on the bed and then you curse yourself. अरे यार ये क्या हो गया, मैं तो सोचा मैं डीजीएम उठूंगा तो डीजीएम रहूंगा, अब पता नहीं मेरी वो मैनेजर की नौकरी भी बची हुई है कि नहीं बची हुई है. बिकॉज आई एम पुअर परफॉर्मर, आई एम नॉट अ डेडिकेटेड, आई एम नॉट फोकस्ड पर्सनालिटी, I am not giving result in time. My senior, my boss is crying and creeping always. Always I am not delivering when I promise. No higher performance. Therefore, no question of higher promotion and higher package. In such circumstances, you have to review your approach to your work, your performance, and then you get some findings. If you concentrate and eliminate the big findings, then there is other side door open for you to become a good performer. Performer and hard worker of the month and year, then when the review is taking place, annual review is taking place, then your case can be put for promotion and higher package. My dear friend, don't only expect, rather you put your hard efforts also. Rather you use your talent, IQ, EQ, SQ, SQ, AQ. All these talent are goes one after other. कहीं पे हमें अपना टैलेंट दिखा के काम करना है, कहीं पे हमें अपना इमोशन दिखा के काम करना है, इमोशनल इंटेलिजेंस, कहीं हमें सोशल क्वेशंट, हमें आदमी के प्रति दया सहानुभूति ज़रूरत पड़ती है, वो क्वेश्चन दिखा करके हमें करना पड़ता है, कहीं पे हमें स्पिरिचुअल क्वेश्चन दिखा करके काम करना पड़ता है, और कहीं पे हमें क्वेश्चन इन एडवर्सिटी. When you are master of all, no doubt no one can stop you from the higher promotion and higher salary package. Thank you very much. Do take care of yourself. I have to talk much, but I shall appreciate if you choose to join my full-fledged seminar. I will be having comparatively more time and case study, group discussion and mock drill wherever it is required. We will be exercising, you will get the more benefit. Please do come in my seminar. Thank you very much. Good night.